Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to share with you my 2025 planner that I purchased from Erin Condren. So I did have some of the gift card left. I had insider points and of course I used my spending money. If you can hear the water in the background, my dishwasher is running. Sorry about that, but I did want to film this video and show you guys what I got. Erin Condren has been my planner of choice for quite some time. I have used the Daily Duo, and let me get this to a point where I can open it up. So sorry. Let's open it this way. I have used the vertical life planner, and this year for 2025 I'm going to use something different yet again. So Erin Condren comes in this nice box. It is sturdy. They wrap it in tissue paper. Obviously I've already unboxed this because I couldn't wait. I just couldn't. So you open it up and it comes with this bubble plastic to protect your goodies, and then we have my order. So I'm gonna open these things up and show you exactly what they are, but I ended up getting 2 of these Evolve sticker kits, or sticker books rather. There's 320 plus stickers in these, and I wanted something that was representative of the colors that are in my planner. So I got 2 of these sticker books, and then I did get the snap and bookmarks. I really love these. I have always used these. And then I did get 2 of these sticker packs. These are the same. So yeah, this is just the 7x9 Evolve sticker pack. So I got those. And then I did get the writing tools variety pack. This has 6 dual tip markers and then 6 chisel tip highlighters. So I really wanted, again, to be able to use my planner and use a lot more pen. And I thought this would be a really good way to do that. And then I did get the Planny pack to put my writing tools in. So if you're new to Erin Condren, this Planny pack, it zippers, obviously, and it has this elastic band, so it fits over the planner like this. And that way I can keep my writing tools and my planner together. So I did pick this up. And then here is my planner. Of course, it has my name on it, LisaMarieBudgets, on the bottom. So let me take this box and put it aside. And let's have a look at this planner. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. So I did watch videos before I chose this year's layout. And the one thing that I loved that Erin Condren did this year is they included this stencil. Oh my gosh, this is going to be so neat. So you've got your different boxes for your times, this little window, kind of almost looks like a sticky note. You've got different size squares and circles, a calendar, flag, the teardrop, a circle, and then again like a little time box. And then of course it has the ruler, and this is 7 inches. I'm going to set that aside. And so I've got the colorful planner this year, which I don't think I've ever had a colorful planner by them. I think I've always stuck with the neutrals. This is the Evolve, and I love it. It's beautiful. It's got all sorts of pinks and purples and yellows and greens, oranges, and it's just absolutely stunning. So the layout that I chose this year is the compact vertical. I've never used this layout before, but when I was looking at planner layouts, I thought about doing the Daily Duo because it has changed a little bit, but ultimately I thought this one was going to work a little bit better for me. So right when you open this up, it does have this like vellum page, which is beautiful. It has, sorry for the lighting, it has this laminated page. You can use their wet erase markers, which I absolutely love, and you can write things on here. Then you have the vellum and the name page where you can put your name. And then we go into the tab for 2024, 2025. Now this, my little tab got bent a little bit in shipping, but that's okay. Celebrate the moment of life and all of its perfectly imperfect moments. And then you have the calendar for 2024 and 2025. Then you have your 12 boxes. You can use them for birthdays, events, goals. Then we have a notes page, and then we go into each month. So mine actually starts in September. It's September now. So this is, this one goes from September 2024 through December of 2025. So September is this beautiful purple color. Of course, you've got your calendar with some of the holidays on there. And then you have your dashboard page, which I've never really used the dashboard. You've got a note page. And then you have the compact vertical layout. So you have lines for each day of the week. I like that we have a full box for Saturday and a full box for Sunday and an empty box over here that I can decorate or, you know, put something else down here. But each one of these comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 lines, 13 if you count the colored lines. So that is a lot of space for me to write. And my thought behind this is, with my work especially, which is really what I use my planner for the most, is like tasks that I need to do, projects that I'm working on that require my action. I really felt like this was going to really help me keep up with the projects that I need to do and give me space for, you know, writing in my meetings. Dishwasher's going again. Sorry about that. So this is the layout that I selected, and I'm really excited to start this. I'm actually, today's September the 7th, it's Saturday, and I am doing a bunch of videos, and I'm going to do a plan with me that I'm going to film a little bit later. So that's September, and all of the months are the same. You have, you know, your week at a glance, which I love, Monday through Sunday, and then there's a notes page at the back of every month, and every month is the same, just a different color. So October is orange, the header is orange. November is this beautiful blue color, carries over to the calendar. Here's December, it's beautiful green at the top. Then we have January. So I guess I said this was my 2025 planner, but really I'm starting it now. I'm gonna have to. How could I not? I forgot actually that I got a September start. I didn't really pay that much attention because it had been a while since I ordered it, and I just got it. Here's February, it has this beautiful pink and almost maroon color. March is green, it's my kid's birthday month. April is purple, and if you want to read the quotes, you can just go back and pause and read them. May is this beautiful peach color. That's what the calendar looks like. Then we have June, and I think the colors just repeat. Do they? That's a new color, it's blue. I just thought this was absolutely beautiful, and I don't mind because the colors, you know, in the weeklies are just very minimal. There's no design. The only design is on the month, which is fine. So here is September. And then you've got October, November, and then December. December's my birthday month. I'm going to be 50 this year. Then at the back, we have a notes tab, and we've got, I didn't add any pages to this. You can add productivity pages, notes pages, all sorts of stuff. I didn't need anything like that, so I've just got the standard number of notes pages. And then in the back, you've got your heritage and awareness observances. These are not in the calendar, but you can go back and add them. Some space to add contacts. And then you've got 2026, which I love because I can just jot down some things that are happening that I need to remember to carry over to my next planner. And then in the back of every Erin Condren is the sticker pages. And if you notice, it's same as this. So we have that page. I love these. These are like little habit trackers, some dots, to-dos. I love the birthday. And then these are like little time labels. I like those. Those are really nice. And I've never really used the Erin Condren stickers before, so I'm really excited to do that this year. And then we have a pocket in the back on both sides. And then, of course, you get your perpetual calendar that comes in every Erin Condren purchase. So that's the small calendar, and then it comes with this little packet that has a code so I can get a discount on my next purchase. So that is my planner. You'll have to let me know down in the comments if you are using an Erin Condren planner and what format or page layout did you choose. And if you're using the compact vertical, let me know what sticker shops you love. I love Simply Smith stickers, and she does have stickers for the compact vertical. So after I cycle through what I already have that I can use in this book, I will probably end up getting some more. Okay, let's move on to the stickers. I think these are just the same stickers that come in the back of the planner. Honestly, I didn't really pay that much attention to what I was getting. I just wanted to get a variety of stickers so that the colors kind of were in line with the monthly. So there's that. Yeah, this is the same as what's in the back of the planner, which I've already shown you. More birthdays, appointment labels. So that's good. I've got 2 of these. So lots of room, or lots of options for birthdays, which I'll probably use that the most. I showed you the template. Let's look at the planning pack. This is the ultimate planning pack. And I love this. I might keep this. Put that aside. I don't want to get rid of that. So it does have the zipper with the little Erin Condren logo on the zipper there. It's got a pretty gold band, and then inside you have a couple pockets, the Erin Condren logo, and plenty of room for writing utensils or writing tools. Then I have the writing tools variety pack. And these are going straight into my planning pack. So there's 12. Let's see. The dual chips, it looks like we've got cherry, hot pink, orchid, seafoam, cornflower, and sapphire. Those are the color names. And I'll go ahead and put those in there for now. And then we do have the snap-in bookmarks. So these are nice to mark my page, like what month I'm on, and also the week. Just helps to, you know, for me to easily flip to the page that I'm currently on. And that's what those look like. I love the colors, absolutely love it. So put those there. And then last, but certainly not least, is the sticker book. So let's take a look at this. This is the last but not least item to show you. Ooh. Can we say ooh? Ah, the colors are so pretty. This is very unlike me because if you've watched any of my Plan With Me's, you'll have probably noticed that all of the kits that I got from Simply Smith Stickers are very muted colors. So for me to want to gravitate to these brighter, bolder colors, this is like such a change for me, but I'm here for it. Oh wow, these are, I don't know what I would use those for, but they're gorgeous. Wow. Here's some boxes, asterisks and dots. It's for the sidebar maybe a grid for the bottom right-hand corner I can use that for, maybe appointments or reminders. Important and shopping list, dinner plans, more boxes. I'll probably use the more colorful stickers for the calendar. And then we've got reminder, it's a plan and goal. And then more boxes, lots of circles. Weekend, vacation, reminder, celebrate, getaway. More boxes and asterisks. Some more larger boxes. I don't know what you would call these. It almost kind of looks like a window, maybe. Habit trackers and more circles. Hopefully you guys can see that. Circles and boxes, some more decorative stickers, and that's the last page. I am loving everything that I got, and I cannot wait to start using them. You'll have to let me know down in the comments, out of all of the things that I got, what was your favorite, and let me know what planner you are using now, and if you are changing planners, what planner you are going to use for 2025. All right, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.